Hey, what's up, fam? Well, welcome to 2021. This is the first day of 2021, and we're going to start this day off by we just got our run in. We're doing the run the year 2021. I'm committed to 2021 miles. I have a couple other people on the team that are doing the same thing, but you don't have to do 2021. You can do it in increments of 500 miles, 500, 1,000, 1,500, or 2021. But the bigger question is, hey, are you going to get up and go do something? Are you winning today? We're winning today because we got up. For me, my goal, like I said, so I have to do at least 5.5 miles a day. So I did 7 today. So I'm trying to put some miles in the bank. So when I need a day off, I got a day off. But the other thing we're doing today is I'm shooting this video and I'm going to put this on my YouTube channel. So again, welcome and thank you for coming to my YouTube channel, Life in Flight with Rick Ray. So I appreciate that. But I'm going to try something new where this video will not be edited. It's just you're going to get what you get. So we did the run. I'm not going to capture that because that's too long. But we're just going to do a couple of exercises here. Just something every day, just to kind of loosen the body up. And with doing all the running, obviously. Legs, ankles, feet, those things we want to stretch out, and then upper body, we don't want to forget about that. So today what we're going to do is we're going to do some push-ups and we're going to do some dips for the back of us. So we're going to work on just the chest and arms today, not a lot. I don't even know how many I'm going to do. I'm probably just, I hate to give you a number because it's not about the number. It's really about getting up and doing it. So I appreciate you coming out. Appreciate you watching, looking at my channel, and hey, if you like what you see, if this helps you or it can help someone you know of, please by all means share it, but subscribe, like, and then share. So here we go. We'll see what we get. Start with some push-ups. Oh, you got 35 on that. All right, let's see what we got here. Woo! All right. Well, all right, maybe we'll do one more thing. Maybe we'll do some close grips. All right, here we go. Okay, that's all you get. Thanks for joining me today, day 1 of Run the Year. Appreciate you. Stay tuned. I'm going to try to post every day, and so we can make it. So stay with me. Appreciate you. Hashtag Rick Ray Point. Go get yours in. Did you win today? Let me know. Leave me a comment. Appreciate you.